Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Online profile is not eligible for migration at this time, with some simple and important steps. This message usually appears when your account does not meet the migration requirements or the process is temporarily unavailable. First, make sure you are using the correct Rockstar account that has your GTA Online progress linked properly. Next, check that your account is not already migrated before, because migration can only be done once. After that, ensure your game and launcher are fully updated to the latest version. Now try restarting your PC and logging out and back into your Rockstar account to refresh your session. Also, check Rockstar server status because migration may be disabled during maintenance. If the issue still continues, wait for some time and try again later. Finally, if nothing works, contact Rockstar support and they can help you resolve the issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.